Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to turn on and turn off incognito mode on Android device. Friends, to turn on and turn off incognito mode on Android device, first you have to go on Android device, then you have to go on the Chrome browser because most of us will use Chrome browser, right? So after opening this one, you have to tap on the triple straight line at the top, not a straight line, triple dot at the top right corner, right? Just tap on new incognito tab, right? And see, my friends, how you can understand that this is the incognito tab you are on. So this is the incognito symbol, my friends. Now you can search anything, whatever you want. Just tap on the search right here. Tap on go. Anything, my friends, you can search now, and it will be not stored on the Chrome browser history, right? So my friends, like this, if you want easily, you can turn on incognito tab. Now my friends, I'll show you how you can turn off. So I'll close this one. Again, to turn off, you have to go on the Chrome browser. Then my friends, you have to tap on here, triple dot, then tap on the new incognito tab. And see, my friends, there is only one open, right? Just tap on here and close this one here. Done, my friends, right? So my friends, like this, if you want easily, you can turn on and turn off incognito mode on Android device. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care.